Imagine waking up to a life where money works for you. Instead of coins clinking in your pocket, it's replaced with cash distributions hitting your bank account. This type of financial freedom is not just a dream. And I'm not talking about nightmares, because nightmares are dreams too. But this is a tangible reality that's within reach. Now, retirement and being comfortable may mean different things for different people. For some, it means selling off assets, obtaining a reverse mortgage, downsizing. For some, it could mean enjoying passive income from previous investments. Look, I like to say passive income is like choosing an investment vehicle of your choice, like real estates or stocks, and then the vehicle takes you to your investment destination. And in return, it rewards you with distributions or even dividends. Look, although your investment vehicle is on cruise control, you still have some work to do. Like, it will drive like a Tesla, but you still have to get in the vehicle, put your hands on the steering wheel until it reaches the investment destination. Now, normally there's a general partner who's navigating this destination and reading all the signs of the market as it propels to the projected investment return. Passive income allows you to increase wealth, improve financial stability, and security. Having sufficient passive income can help you attain the life that you envision, not the one you end up by default. Again, with minimum effort, these assets will generate income, but you still have to pay attention to where the investment vehicle is going. Because when you fail to pay attention, intention will stop following and disruption will take its place. They say ignorant is bliss. I just say it's an expensive lesson. Look, people always ask me, Mike, when is the right time to invest? I don't think people understand. There is no perfect time to invest. That's like saying, let's just wait till Tuesday at 9:30. Look, that doesn't matter, man. The best time to invest is when you have a good opportunity that has the potential to produce a good return. Waiting for the perfect opportunity or time will lead to missed opportunities and delay your potential growth. They say, when's the best time to plant a tree? Well, 20 years ago. Well, when's the next best time? That's today. Start investing now. Look, face it, your deal sucks. Stop coming up with excuses about interest rates or high financing costs or inflation. All these things truly do affect the market, but it's about your deal and how you can leverage it to give you the return you're looking for. Look, the market can affect the economy, but your philosophy will dictate your income. Yes, I understand. There are multiple market cycles like the recovery phase, the expansion phase, hypersupply phase, and recession phase. And these cycles take 10 to 18 years. And look, it's crazy, but look, I bought in all those cycles. And yes, some cycles are better than others, but it's still about the deal. I remember when I was doing deals, I was borrowing money upwards of 15%. Like, that's crazy. My first deal, I made $1 million on a 48 unit, and we borrowed money at 11%. We were all in for $450,000, and I sold it for 1.6. It's all about the deal. You got to be able to make the deal work, regardless if it's high interest. If it's too high, find a better deal. If you're not sure how to find or manage the deal, then just be a passive investor. Enjoy the passive income. So look, either be a passive investor or be a lender or invest in a syndication. Look, investors can make anywhere from 6 to 15% annually on the money and be completely hands off just by lending money on the deal. Look, you can act as a bank or a hard money lender. And guess what? If the borrower defaults, you can take the property back and either sell it and finish it. And then look, it's a great opportunity. Like, you can finish the rehab and then sell it. Look, investing in syndication is another great opportunity. Like, I've invested in syndications where I was completely hands off and I doubled my money. Literally, I 2x my money in less than 3 years. A passive investor in a syndication relies on general partners or managers, and they find the deal, manage day-to-day of the project, and maximize its value and share the upside potential with the passive investor. Passive investor, not a pastor, because I'm not a preacher. But look, with syndication, you can make great cash flow. You potentially can double your money every 5 years. Look, let's not use the excuse we're too busy or we don't know how. But let's leverage our resources to gain our time back by investing with syndications and active investors and become private lenders or limited partners. Look, if you're tired of taking vacations where you're just visiting your in-laws, start investing now. You want to start providing more for your family or your community? Start investing now. Start investing now in real estate. Generate enough income to change your life for the rest of your life.